Hi, Scott from Hobby King with another new biplane. We like biplanes. This is another SPAD. It's another World War One model, which is a good thing. Very popular at the moment, without a shadow of a doubt. This one's Balsa. It's an ARF. We've built it up for you so you can just basically see it. Nice quality. Looks the part without a doubt. I do believe that that's Eddie Rickenbacker's colour scheme, but I could be corrected on that one. Will be available very, very soon, so please keep an eye out for it on Hobby King, and of course please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Cheers!